and welcome to the Subbu and Sree channel. In this channel, we are covering our house extension journey through different videos. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about our first challenge. It's a brick story. You might be thinking, bricks? Really? Yes, that was our first challenge and it was quite a challenge. Let me give you some background. If you have seen the previous videos, you might have noticed that ours is a brick-fronted house. We were looking to convert the garage and on the other side, extend the bay window area. So according to the council's rules, we have to use similar bricks, if not same bricks, to keep the character of the property on the road. When we signed the contract with the builder was going to source the bricks. So we did not look up on bricks or what type of bricks, etc. We were only researching on kitchens, bathrooms and tiles and all those sort of things. The building work started according to the plan by the end of June, and the first task was to lay the foundation for the front extension and the back extension. Everything was going smoothly. Week 2, the builder got a message from the bricklayer to say that he is available, and the builder was really pleased. Okay, I contacted a few bricklayers and they were all busy. And so when this bricklayer was available, he was quite pleased, and and we were also there when that message came, and he was quite happy, and he said everything is going to go by plan, and looks like we can finish the house work quickly. What a news! That's what we want to hear. Subbu said, okay, bricklayer is available. Are the bricks available on that date? And the builder said, yes, the bricks. I've already blocked the bricks with the supplier, and he's a known supplier. I buy everything from him, and I have shown the bricks, and he said it is available. I've asked about 5,000 bricks. So we left it there. This is now July sort of second week, and the next week the brickwork was about to start. So he started removing the old walls. And Subbu again asked, okay, I haven't seen the sample, so the brick said, can you please bring it? And he said, okay, I'll get it in the weekend and come. And on that week, on the Friday evening, he called about 8 o'clock in the evening. He called us, and we were wondering why. And he disclosed this news. Do you know what it is? Yes, some of you guessed it right. We were really gutted to hear that message. I'm smiling now, but then it was like, oh my God, what is this? That was the sort of situation. So what has happened is the brick supplier whom our builder arranged with, he had blocked 5,000 bricks for us, but because of some communication gap of the dates of delivery, he thought, okay, this is a bit more time, and he gave that brick away to some other clients and ordered some new bricks for our house. But unfortunately, the warehouse from where he ordered came back saying that it has gone out of stock. What a bad luck. So this is a situation where it's like you're stuck. You started the housework, the old walls are removed. Do you want to argue with the builder or his supplier, or what do you want to do? So we decided, okay, let's handle it and see how to resolve the problem. Our builder was very positive. He said he has other suppliers who have more contacts, so he will reach out to all of them and somehow manage the bricks. He called the next day, that was a Saturday, and he said he's trying with a few people, but it's not looking positive. And he said he has some more contacts and he will try with all of them. Now Subbu and I, we were thinking, now let's do what we can do. We don't even know the name of the brick by that time. How will we go and look? What are we looking for? So we went and talked to some of the neighbors who did extension recently. One of the neighbors is very kind, and he said he'll talk to his builder and find out the name of the brick and also where he got the brick. And he came back with a name, Old English Russet. So at least we know the name of the brick now to look for it. And he gave some names of the shops where his builder got the bricks. I was calling over the phone, but nobody was picking. So Subbu said, okay, I'll go to all these shops. We know the name of the brick. Let me go and check out. So Subbu drove to Keyline, M&M, Travis Perkins, but no luck. So we were thinking, okay, now we know the name of the brick. Let's look up online. and it was a weekend, it was Sunday. So started looking online and googled on Old English russet, and there were a few hits where they said that it is available. But when I went into the website to look at the product, it said out of stock. Please contact its number to find out when it will be available and the price for it. So I sent an inquiry to all the shops which had a hit, saying that I'm looking for 5,000 bricks and we would require it as soon as possible. I had looked up on Brick Express, House Grey, Builder Shop, Brickmongers, and Brick Hunters, and I left a inquiry in all of them. So when I sent the inquiry, I took a picture of the wall in different angles and sent that along with the query so that they can see the brick as well. The next day we had a response from some of the online services. They will send us a sample so that we can look at it and confirm and then place the order. Nothing arrived after 3 days. And both Subbu and I are working, so one of us come during lunchtime and to check the post. We were not living in the house, we moved out so that the work can be completed quickly. So we had notified the post office to deliver our post to the neighboring houses. Nothing on day 3, nothing on day 4. And remember one of the neighbors saying, Sree, it looks like nothing will make you happy. Even if you get a lottery or a gold at the post, you're not going to be happy. You will be happy only if you get your sample brick. And it was so true. By the time it was already about 10 days into the search process, and waiting for the sample, the situation was like that, and we were so desperate. By day 5, since we ordered the sample bricks, day 5 or day 6, the sample bricks arrived from all the suppliers, and we found that the manufacturer is Forterra, but the brick which was in the sample, Old English russet, was not the brick we were looking for. That was such a disappointment. All that waiting, all that search, everything has not been fruitful. By the time we found out that, so we thought, okay, let's reach out to the manufacturer Forterra. Forterra was written on the sample brick pack. So we reached out to that manufacturer, and they said that they have a number of bricks with similar patterns, and one of them is Old English brindle red, and they sent a picture and said, is that what you're looking for? And I think, and that picture was very close to ours, and wow, that was another deep breathing moment. It's like, okay, we got it, we got the name finally. And when we checked that if they have stock, they said that they're not manufacturing, but they will be doing it from December. When we checked who might have the bricks, they said they have a number of stockists and they can send the list, but they don't know who will have it because the stocks went out a couple of months back, and it's possible that some of the stockists don't have that anymore. So we sent an email to all of them. So we thought we will go back to the online websites as well, who sent us a sample of Old English russet. So we reached out to them again and told we are looking for English brindle red now. Brick Hunters came back and said that they have that in stock. The supplier the stockist is in Wales, and they have about 7,000 bricks. Wow, that was a very happy moment. Still, I was a bit skeptical whether English brindle red is the right one. So I requested Brick Hunters to find out if the stockist can send a picture and a video of the stock. If they can send a sample, that will take another 5 days to reach us. So if they could send a picture or a video, that would be great. And I don't think that was a part of their process, but they went out of the way to get that for us. So a big shout out to Ashley Rushton in Brick Hunters. He has been a lifesaver. He got that and it was matching. We placed the order. And these services, what they do is they charge for the bricks, and also they can arrange logistics. Because ours was an emergency, they arranged for us for our Sree to come as a priority, and we got the bricks delivered on after three or 4 days. And when it arrived on our driveway, all of us had tears of joy. It was like a mini project within a big project, a challenging project, but at the end the right bricks arrived, and the work commenced. So that's our brick story. I hope this is useful. Thank you for watching. Until I see you in the next video. Bye bye.